Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the arithmetic progression, algebra, 10th. In this chapter, we have to take review on these important points. Sequence, terms in sequence, arithmetic progression, common difference and end term of an AP. Okay, so let's look at here. Sequence. Sequence is what? Any type of the sequence. Means for suppose 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It is a chain of number, but it has some rule. Means some mathematical rule should be here. Suppose here is the difference of between these two terms. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 5. This is called the sequence. Next point, terms in sequence. Suppose this is sequence. So these terms are called as T1, T2, T3. These consecutive terms called as T1, T2, T3. It is denoted by T1, T2, T3. Afterward, arithmetic progression. If the given in the given sequence, the difference between two numbers means suppose 5, 7, 9, then 11, or 2, 5, 8, then 11. So in this both sequence, the difference between two terms is constant. So it's called arithmetic progression or the AP in short form. Then what is common difference? Common difference is what? Difference between these two terms. The first one term T2 minus T1 means 5 minus 2. What is the difference between these two terms? 3. It's called the common difference. The difference is constant. The constant difference is called the common difference and it is denoted with the sign D. Now, end term of an AP. If the first term T1 is A and the common difference is D, then what is the formula for Tn? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. It is the general formula for AP. So with this, when we want to find out the end term, so we have to use this formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Now we have to find out sum of end term of an AP. So when there is first term is A and common difference is D, we have to use this formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 D. There is another formula also for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l. A means what? The first term is T1 and l means what? Last term. It is the last term of that AP. So we can use this formula for solving the examples. Let's MCQs of this chapter are more important for board examination. Let's learn the first one, which came on March 19 exam. What is the common difference of the AP? So for common difference, we have to find out with this formula. D is equal to T2 minus T1. So what is T2 and T1? This is T1, the first term, and T2 is the second term. So let's do. What is the T2? Minus 2 minus first term is 2. So what is the answer? Minus and minus, it is addition. So the answer will be the minus 4. Now let's check with the next one. So T2 minus T1 minus 6 minus 2. So it will be the minus means this sign will be changed. So the minus 6 plus 2. Answer will be the minus sign and the plus sign. There is a difference between these both signs. So it will be the subtraction between these two terms. So 6 minus 2, answer is 4, and give minus 4 minus sign for the answer. So what is our difference? The D is equal to minus 4. This is the answer. Now let's learn the second one example. For given AP, A is equal to 3.5 and D is equal to 0. Find out Tn. Listen it carefully. This example was in two examinations. Okay, so we have to find out Tn, but n is not given. N is not given. Only they have given A 3.5 and D is equal to 0. So D means difference between two terms. Suppose there is a first term is T1 and there is second term is T2. So difference between two terms means what? T2 minus T1 is equal to 0. So if this is 0, there is no changes between any terms. So this AP can be 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. This one only. So n term will be the same. So n term Tn is equal to 3.5. Okay. So when there is difference is 0, answer will be the same as A, means first term is equal to Tn. Some another examples. Find first four terms of an AP whose first term is -2 and common difference is -2. First term is what? A. A is equal to -2 and common difference D. D is equal to -2. Now we have to find out first four terms. So the first term is T1. T1 is equal to A is equal to -2. Now second term T2. T2 is equal to T1 plus D. It is formula for the second term. T1 plus D, because the difference is constant in AP. Therefore T1 plus D. T1 is -2 plus D is -2. -2 plus -2, it can be -4. Now let's find T3, third term also. T2 plus D. What is the T2? -4. -4 plus -2. The answer is -6. Now T4. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. -6 plus -2. The answer is -8. Okay. In this way we have therefore we find this T1, T2, T3, T4. We found these four terms of AP. So what are the four terms of AP? -2, -4, -6 and -8. Let's look at the next one example. What is the sum of the first 10 natural numbers? It is more important example. Okay, the first 10 natural numbers. You must know what are the natural numbers, what are the prime numbers, what are the composite numbers, what is odd numbers, even numbers. So natural numbers, natural number 2, 3, 4, etc. So the first term of the natural number is what? A is equal to 1. And what is the common difference? We know D is equal to also 1 because 2 minus 1 1. So we have to find out the Sn of 10 natural numbers. So therefore n is equal to 10. This one also important. Now Sn is equal to, what is the formula of Sn? Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. You can use this formula for solving this. So Sn is equal to, Sn is what? S10. 10 natural numbers. N is equal to 10 upon 2. Then 2 into a is 1 plus n 10 minus 1 d is also 1. We have substituted these values in this formula. So S10 is equal to what? 10 upon 2 5. 2 ones are 2 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 1. So with the rule board math, we have to find out this one. So S10 is equal to what? S10 is equal to 5 and into bracket 2 plus 9 into 1. We have to do this multiplication first. 2 plus 9 ones are 9. Then 5 into this 2 plus 9 11. So the answer is 11 5 are 55. So what is the S10? S10 is equal to 55. So what is the sum of 10 natural numbers? So we learned MCQs. Okay, this one example for 1 mark descriptive. So we have to solve this one. Find the second and third term of an AP whose first term is 6 and common difference is -3. It is very simple example. A means first term is 6 and B is equal to -3. Again we have to write the formula of this one. So second term and third term. So T1 is A is equal to 6. Now we have to find out second term T2. T2 is equal to T1 plus B. So what is the T1? 6. 6 plus D minus 3. Listen here students, it is very important. You have to understand what is the difference between these signs. So signs are more important. So plus, plus, plus. The answer will be the addition and answer will be the plus. Minus, plus, plus. The signs are different. Therefore answer will be the subtraction and answer will be the answer get the sign of biggest number. It can be the plus or minus. Here also the same condition. The first term is plus, another term is minus. So therefore plus 6 minus 3. Answer will be the difference. Difference is called 3 and answer get the bigger number signs. So it will be the plus 3. Again you can find out third term t2 plus 3. t2 is what? 3 plus d is what? Minus 3. So you can easily solve plus 3 minus 3. It will be the 0. So the second term is what? Second term is 3 and the third term is 0. Of that AP 6 minus 3 and 0. In the next video of AP we will learn 2 mark questions and 3 mark questions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel.